This is a beautiful piece of technology that has generated me $25.28 in the past 24 hours. And this can potentially be the future of AI article writing and art generation. Enter one simple term. For example, ultimate smoothie recipes to lose weight. Click on send, and this ChatGPT tool will write you an entire article on various smoothies that you can go and make with the done for you recipe to go and lose weight. This entire article will be scripted and written for you in just a few seconds by artificial intelligence. I found this perfect affiliate product called the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program, where you will make $25.28 every single sale that you make. I plugged this product into my article that ChatGPT made for me into various news outlets around the world, such as MarketWatch, Bazinga, AZ Central, Daily News, Daily Herald, that is getting millions of visitors every single month, which will allow you to plug in your article and your affiliate product into all of these news outlets around the world, opening up many doors for hundreds and thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. I started this yesterday, so I'm very keen to see where this goes, and I definitely will update you guys. All that you need to know is how to go and plug in your article and your affiliate product into these various news outlets around the world. I'm going to show you a few examples of free article publishing websites that you can use, and one or two paid article publishing websites that will publish your article in these news outlets around the world, and how to actually convert these viewers into sales. Make sure to stick around because this is going to be a great banger full of value to start off 2024. Let's get into it. What's up, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur and funded prop firm trader that documents my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. I also have a second channel that is just dedicated to my trading journey. I will leave a link down below to that description where you will find tons of free webinars, my pre-recorded live streams, and a full funded mentorship here on YouTube completely for free for you guys. Every single day on my main channel, I post various ways that you can make side hustle income online, whether that's just a couple of dollars or build a full-blown and full-time online business. If you want to get a personal notification from me every time I upload my latest way that I use to make money online, make sure to go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can do so. Without further ado, let's not waste any time and dive straight in today's video. Now, I've already found my exact product that I'm going to allow you to copy and paste the strategy and use yourself. Simply because you need to keep in mind, there's over 8 billion people in this world. There's always a market for everything. Nothing ever becomes oversaturated. There's always customers to find for your product. You just need to know how to find them, which is what I'm going to teach you in today's video. Step number one is to come over to a website that you would know if you've been watching my channel for quite some time. I speak about pretty much every single week. And this is a gold mine for online entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, people that just want to start a side hustle to make money online. On this website, you can find done-for-you programs, done-for-you courses, done-for-you weight loss programs, done for you whatever you can think of, funnel templates, websites, sales pages, checkout pages already made for you and tailor-made for you as an affiliate to go and promote and make commissions off of those sales. Click on the Marketplace tab on the top right-hand side of the menu bar, and you will be able to see all sorts of categories of different products that you can go and promote. My favorite being health and fitness and e-business and e-marketing. But if you go and click on one of these, you will see tons of different subcategories within these categories, such as diets and weight loss, dietary supplements, dental health, etc. And there's so many more in all of these different niches. In today's example, and I'm going to show you the exact product that I've been using to use this and do this, you need to then click on diet and weight loss, scroll down to the third product over here called the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. This is a private 21-day diet program that will allow you to make and live off of smoothies to lose the weight and achieve your weight loss goals that you want to go and achieve. So if I go and click on this product over here, take a look at this. It takes me to a done for you website, done for you sales video, done for you checkout. If I go and click on this button over here where your customers can get $20 off, making this a high converting coupon and checkout page, done for you checkout, and every time someone enters the information and purchases this product, you will get a commission of $25.28 per every single sale that you make. So it's really a no-brainer. These are free products that you can go and promote completely for free without spending money and try to make money online with. Now, what most people get wrong is they don't exactly know how to captivate an audience and how to exactly go and promote these products to convert their viewers into sales. And that is exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. Now that you have your product, you can go and click on promote, click on generate hop link, and over here it will copy your custom ClickBank link that is secured to your account. So every time someone clicks on this link and checks out with this product, that link knows that it needs to refer all of the commissions to your account, where then ClickBank pays direct to bank. Step number 2, come over to chatgpt.com. You can create a completely free account. There's no credit card sign up. There's no free trial. It's completely free to use. This is an amazing tool that has been taking over the world by storm, created by Elon Musk, as I'm sure you know, and you can simply go and click on try ChatGPT if you don't have an account, or you can log in with your existing account. Once you've logged in, it will take you to a page that looks like this, very similar to a WhatsApp chat, where you can go and chat to the ChatGPT 3.5 AI. So if you go and type, for example, hello, it will greet you back. Hello, how can I assist you today? And you can go and type here, give me an ultimate smoothie to go and lose weight. Now, when it comes to what you need to type into ChatGPT, you need to relate that to the type of product that you're promoting on clickbank.com. So for example, if we're using e-business and e-marketing, and we want to use this product over here, which is a job opportunity to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, you can then come over to ChatGPT, go and type here how to get paid using social media. Click on send, but take note how your question needs to be relative to your product. In this scenario, it is typing me out an entire simple, short and sweet article on different ways that you can make money using social media, which is relative and will capture the audience that is interested in this type of product. Because if your article is about how to make money on social media, but your product is about health and weight loss, that's not going to work. The audience that is interested in how to make money using social media, clicking on your article, is not going to be interested in a health and weight loss program product. So that's why the product needs to line up with your article. If you want to format this text into more of an article, you can go and type the same message, and you can go and type here, give me an article on the ultimate smoothie recipes to lose weight. Click on send, and it will automatically write out your article in a more formal format with an introduction, body, and a conclusion. And take a look at this cool introduction. In the quest for a healthier lifestyle and effective weight management, incorporating nutrient-packed and satisfying smoothies into your daily routine can be a game changer. Packed with essential vitamins, fiber, and protein, these ultimate smoothie recipes are not only delicious, but also designed to support your weight loss goal. Let's explore some mouth-watering combinations that will leave you feeling nourished, energized, and satisfied. And it goes through all of the different recipes that you can use over a period of 5 days. So it kind of acts as like a teaser or as a trial period to the full product that you're going to be selling them on ClickBank, being the health and fitness category, the Smoothie 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. Step number 3 is to go and copy your entire article that ChatGPT has now created for you. You can just highlight that with your mouse, right-click, copy, come over to a blank Google document, and go and paste this article over here. I'm just quickly going to make this a bit smaller so we can all fit it on one page. Okay, so we have our heading, our introduction, our body, and our conclusion of this entire article, which is the format that most publishing platforms require before you can even go and post an article, or before they allow you to approve this article. Therefore, ChatGPT is doing all of the hard work for you. And you can simply go and type here, access the full Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program, and you can simply go and highlight this over here, click on insert link, come over to ClickBank, again, click on promote or generate hop link, go and copy this link, come back to your Google document and go and paste this link over here and click on apply. So that means when people click on this text in your article on the website, it will automatically take them to the upsell of the product, to the full page over here where you can secure sales from your article and from your audience. This is the hard work really complete. You've produced your article, you've plugged in your product into your article. Now all you need to go and do is is publish this article to the right websites and to the right audience. And that is very simple. I'm going to show you a total of 3 different websites that you can go and use. One free one to get some initial traction, to then start investing into the large publishing websites that get millions of views every single month. I found this website online that gives you the top 10 free article publishing networks that you can go and publish this article on, such as medium.com, LinkedIn articles, Publish PDF, Scoopit, ISU, Udo, Article Screen, PubHTML5, Jumag, ArticleBuzz, Substack, and Google Sites. Now what you can go and do is you can go and right click and open link on every one of these tabs, and you can go and click on the link over here to these websites. And it will take you to that relative website where you can go and click on write. Just paste your article as is. You don't need to go and change anything, and you can go and click on publish, and it will be published to the website just like these articles have been posted over here 5 minutes ago, a couple of days ago. And for example, these articles can really be basic. Birds, bugs, and beauty. The title of your article can really be what ChatGPT has made for you, the ultimate smoothie recipes for effective weight loss. And you want to go and copy and paste that article onto all 12 of these articles. And when you get a sale or two, you can use the affiliate commissions and the income that you make from these free articles to invest into a paid platform, such as brandpals.co, which is a network or a company that publishes your article onto some of the biggest news forums and news websites in the world, such as Fox 40, Bazinga, MarketWatch, 21 News, and they are getting, well, MarketWatch is getting 71 million visitors every single month. Bazinga gets 10 million, Daily News gets 6.9 million, News Channel Nebraska gets 524k, 21 News 549,000 people. This website is called brandpals.co. You can go and click on get started, and they have different price options over here ranging from $189 to $219 to $249. What I recommend is start off with the plus package, where you will get 10-day delivery, a 300-word article included, and 2 revisions, meaning someone will help you revise your article at least 2 times to optimize your article for these news forums to ultimately captivate and convert that audience as much as possible into sales. You've also got the elite package, where you will then also get listed on Google News and Bazinga. Google News obviously being one of the most popular news platforms out there. An alternative option is also if you come over to fiverr.com and you go and search on Fiverr article publish or article publishing, and you can go and pay people on Fiverr and publishers on Fiverr that work for these news websites to go and post your article on these websites. So for example, this guy will publish your article on Google News for $100, and he's Fiverr choice with 5-star reviews, so it's important just to read through the reviews and make sure they are highly rated. Another person over here will publish your article on hundreds of different websites, such as all of these websites over here. Another person over here, I personally like to go and use the ones that are 5-star rated, at least level 2, and ideally if they're Fiverr's choice, pro or top rated. Nothing less than 4.9 stars and nothing less than 100 reviews. Those are my only conditions for me to use somebody on Fiverr to publish my article. All you would need to go and do is to submit these articles to these publishers, such as Fiverr, BrandPals. You can come over to your Google document, click on File, Download, and you can go and download this as a PDF, as you need to submit your article in a PDF format to whether that's BrandPush, brandpals.co or fiverr.com. Brandpush.co is also another alternative to BrandPals, except they are slightly more expensive, but you also get listed on far more news platforms. So you can go and pay them $195, and you also get listed on Google News and some of the biggest other platforms out there. And you can see, based on the package type, the amount of monthly visitors all of these websites get, and potentially the amount of people that will be seeing your article. Obviously, the more expensive the package, the more views you're going to get, but the popular and the smallest package is more than fine to start with. What I'm going to do is to really boost your affiliate marketing journey. I'm going to help you out with a completely free YouTube course that I've got here on YouTube with 200 plus videos on various different traffic strategies, funnel building templates, building your own landing pages, also AI, article writing, all sorts of ways that you can approach affiliate marketing to apply with your ClickBank products, such as the 21-day smoothie diet program, the job opportunities on social media, all sorts of other ClickBank products that I use inside of this free course on YouTube, where I will personally allow you to go and copy and paste my strategies. This entire affiliate marketing course can be found on YouTube completely for free. I will leave a link to that playlist on the screen somewhere over here above me on my left or my right, and I will also leave a Carter training playlist and course over here, which goes far more into depth into how to create your own funnels, checkout pages, captivating sales videos, bridge pages, email marketing, and all sorts of skills that you need to be a successful affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur. So make sure to go and click on one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there on the inside.